What's up everyone and happy Easter, by the way. Hope that you're all doing very well. Hope you had a nice weekend, or are still having, by the way, a nice weekend, because it's not over for everyone. And yeah, so Bitcoin still range bound a bit. We're going to update all of this. Before to start with everything, I just want to make an announcement. Good morning, mate, by the way, my Frenchie. Just want to make an announcement that is about the Elliott Wave contest. The first contest is out. You can go and check this out on the website. You have a $300 prize pool. This is the first contest. You will get 3 at the end. This one is free. The 2 next ones have bigger prize pool and will be for apprentice only. The 2 next contests will be for the 6 more courses you have on Elliott Wave. So for the moment you have 4 for absolutely free. So if you want to learn Elliott Waves, feel free to go and check this out in the course section. Just sign up really, and you can learn for free with the Elliott Wave course here. Otherwise, you have a $300 prize pool here to win. So you have this divided by the 3 first in the ranking, really. $150 for the first one, $100 for the second one, and $50 for the third one here. You have just some few stuff you need to know before. For example, it's a quiz. You have 8 minutes maximum to do it. Otherwise, you will automatically end the quiz. All of this really, I'll let you go and check this out, but this is free. You do not need to pay. Just sign up, create an account, and you get a chance to win, really. Okay, so yeah, the ranking next will be made public. Well, it took 14 days, but it will be normally earlier than this, no worries. But anyways, on this being said, now I'm gonna close this so I can load up XOCharts next, and let's show everything really. So here, what we've got in the last update, we were simply looking for this possible long trade here into this nice green square. So we've got a very nice rise during the weekend into the DNPOC here with a nice swing for a pound by the way of this, I mean failed auction, and a really good reversal by the way during the night, right? Yeah, it was all during the night, I mean for me. So now we can remove this. So this was a very good long trade. We can remove this too. By the way, not this, but this. We can remove this and that. Perfect. And let's start first of all with the weekly levels. So weekly, what do we have there? Yes, we have a new weekly. So let's take this. Do we have any new daily here too? We've got one here, but I mean, yeah, this is gonna remove that also, and so we can keep only all of this. Just gonna move this a bit more on the right. And so wait, the weekly is where? It's that one here? Okay. Alright. Let's go here on XOCharts and let's try to not crash the computer. Because with a weekly needing a path control, it's possibly going to crash this. Well, anyways, if the stream stops, it's normal, really. Just gonna restart my computer, and yeah, with all these templates. So let's do this step by step. So first of all, let's go with the weekly path control. I closed all of this. Yes, gonna close Spotify too to not get too much at the same time. Good. So well, we'll have none. So let's go here, DNPOC. We have none. See why this is important to go on the ticks 1 too, on the top here. So it's 50 ticks and 1 ticks. You have to check on the daily basis. So here, naked session path control. We have the one above here. 7630. Let's go there. $630 by the way, just gonna do this so I can perfect. good. So this is done, and then we have what? TPOs, no, alright, so there is nothing more to add on this. We can now close that. And that's it really. So what we can do here really to add some more confluence to all of this is simply to trade this range. Okay, we just have to pull it from that top to this bottom here, and we just have to trade the range really until it breaks, as we also saw on Friday. This was something possible. So if we break this down, we can look for a swing failure pattern as always, reclaim, so to a week below. For example, this is a swing failure pattern. Okay, for this, for example, you have a high, or here by the way, you have a first top really, that will be your bottom. This will be simply to opposite. So you have a high, you take the high really quick, you come back below and you close below the previous top, and from here you get a reversal. This is a swing failure pattern where you just go above, come back down and close below the previous high, and so leave the previous high really with a wick. So here that will be the same, but on the bottom. A failed auction is this, for example, you have a high, you take it, but you spend some more time, you don't have only a wick above, and then you start from normally something really bearish on the order flow, and you come back down. So, well, either a swing failure pattern as always, either a failed auction, you know, into the lower target we have planned, right here. That will be the failed auction target, really. We have to look for this to the downside and to look for this to the upside. These will be, of course, the best targets we can look for. We can do something a bit more tricky, for example, if we have to keep the bullish market structure as always. So we can, for example, just swing flip on the current low once more and not go to the overall bottom. For example, take this one too. Well, it's already done now. It looks like not. No, it's not. For example, we can go and take this bottom there, and from here get a reversal without taking the overall bottom. So just be aware of this zone of price really. Okay, from this bottom there down to the low. And well, to the upside, it's exactly the same, to be honest with you. Okay, we can look again for a swing flip on a failed auction. On the top, on the bottom, this is the easiest way at the moment to trade. Now, of course, if you want to add some more confluence, we can simply pull the fixed range from the bottom to the very beginning of the range, really. And you can just add the Valera low, power of control, Valera high, pull some extension tool, some retracement tool, all of this. For example, we can use this pull here to find some more confluence around the bottom there. You can see the 120 extension with a swing failure pan, and then you have the 123 with the bottom, for example. All of this, but yeah, this is really trading the range until it breaks, as simple as that. I'm not gonna make it more complex. If we have to break lower than this, for example, do a big swing failure pan or a failed auction below, I'm simply going to look for this daily level down to the naked session path control. This is a big zone, but as always, by reading the order flow. So maybe I can load, by the way, more the web versions just to do this. So by reading this, yeah, change a bit my template again. So by reading the order flow, so it's not the exact same view you have on the pro version, but it's the same at the end. So by reading this, you can make some informed trading decision. You can just recognize really if you have or not to take the trades. This is very important to read this, to execute the trades, to recognize if you have to do it or not. So if you have no reason to, we're simply going to look for a continuation into the next target. If we still bounce with bad data, we should create some better data later for a bounce. So for example, we're going to bounce with no reason for a bounce. In that case, we're going to do a retest, and on that retest, we're going to bounce with better data, and here you're going to enter the trade. If there is no good data otherwise, let it go, and we shall go into the next target. So the first target is really between 68,000 down to 66, well, 6,700. If we start breaking this, we can simply look for this TPO down to the weekly negative path control here, so to speak, around 65,800 down to 65,500. And if we start to break this, we can simply look for a nice move down into the daily and the DN POC right here, so between 63,800, 900 down to 62,800. Break this, we still have another support. So for example, this is here really. So the daily, yeah, this one is untapped. So daily here down to the naked session path constraint, this will be announced normally. If we have to add some more confluence, we can put as always a retracement tool from the top there down to the bottom here. Well, that will be for a complex level approach. If we can say that, where for example you have this support here. This is a big one. We'll have a weak negative path control. Maybe we'll have also a few pull here. If you pull it like this. Yeah, not the best 61866%, but for example, if we have to make a complex level approach on this, this can be a target bit below the swing failure pan there. So to speak, you go below, you flip the target into resistance, then you either do a low, high, low, and you reclaim. And here normally you have absorption, you have some good data there next on the reversal there. Otherwise, you form a new low really to make it even more tricky, and from here you manage to reclaim, flip to support, and then you come back up. So this, for example, can be a complex level approach, a bit tricky on this target, but still something possible, as we have the 618, 66% below. Just trade your action, and your action really will tell you if you have or not really to execute onto the trade really. So yeah, these are the main targets to the downside. Not gonna cover lower for the moment, it's not really useful to be honest with you. Now higher, well, we just have to, as always, trade the range until it breaks. If we start breaking above here, we can simply look for the key level up to the weekly naked path control, so really a swing for a pound or a fair auction. If we start breaking this, we have this nice top right here, plus some nice resistance above, so TPO, daily, DNPOC, and naked session path control. So it's around 73,000 really, up to the new, to the all-time high. Again, if we take the high, don't forget, so as always, swing for a pound or fair auction. It's not because we take the all-time high that we're going to do a massive green candle. It's possible, but we are at resistance, so we have to look still for a short trade, and depending on the data, we execute or not a short trade really. So now these are the targets where we can look for a trade. Okay, in between, personally, I'm not looking for any trade, I'm trading my targets, and that's it. And so now with the waves, I did not check it all the weekend. What we have done, took a bit of a break on the weekend. So what we have here, we've got some 5 waves, not the best at the moment. Oh yeah, by the way, on the 4 hours time frame, I don't want to see the wave 2 bottom here to be broken by the wave 2. If this happens, this is not valid anymore, and I'm more going to take and switch back, to the big double EXY really, and so to speak, to be in the larger wafer and not in the wafer of the ending. So to speak, I'm more going to take this. Okay, and by the way, this is still valid. By I'm looking for the ending, because with a smaller wave, we have ABC zigzag. We have an ABC zigzag and another ABC zigzag. So we can look for this. I'm looking for this. But if we start getting an invalidation, for example, on the ending, don't forget this right here is absolutely 100% valid. There is no invalidation. Even if we take the highs, for example, here we can start, for example, here with a we did do the highs once more there next, yes. So for example, an ABC flat, and then we start to form a bigger WXY, and then we'll have maybe a WXY XNZ, as we cannot finish a Y wave with a WXY only. So if we have to make something really tricky and complex, don't forget we can do it. Now, as more tricky it is, less probable it is to play out. More complexity with the wave, less probable it is to play out. Well, we can simply look for this ending for the moment until we start getting invalidation really. So in that case, the wave 4, as I said, I don't want to see on the 4 hours time frame the wave 4 to break, the wave to bottom. On the lower time frame for the moment, we do have some few, for example, well, not that one here, but on some lower to, yeah, 1 hour, for example. No, not even that, by the way. No, we don't. So that's perfect. For now, everything is still valid, by the way. We was breaking this on the lower time frames, but no. So this is pretty cool. So for now, this is still valid, okay? Sadly, we cannot pull a retracement tool or stuff like that to find a way for target, because this is an ending, and an ending, the fibs are, it's too random, really. Based on my statistics, it's just too random. Maybe you have some others, and now we change it, I don't know. But personally, for me, it's too random. So the targets are simply the zone below, and the best, as I said, will be simply either to do, yeah, this is a long trade, so either to go a bit low here to swing for a pound at low and keep the bullish market structure, okay, so get that long trade really, so get just one more. I want to check something, by the way. Let me just load up charts really quick. So make just one more new low, end up with a swing for a pound or a failed auction really, and reclaim. So just gonna load the high and low template there. There we go. So either do this, then get the good data on the order flow, and so get a reclaim and a reversal for the wave 5 of the ending. Either do a new low here, so either a swing for a pound again or a failed auction, and manage to reclaim the range, and there we go, come back up for the wave 5. It all depends if we get some bullish data really into these targets. If we start going lower than this, well, it's not looking so good, to be honest with you, anymore for the wave 4, and we might be more into the Y wave to the downside, okay? Just want to check this real quick. So we've got normally a good high there. We've got a good low too, so this is not helping so much, and we have a poor high, a good low. Good low, poor high, so it took the highs there at some point. Good low, good high. We did not do the highs. Good high, good low. Well, highs and lows are good, to be fair, so yeah, so this is not really helping at the moment. So let's close this. Bam. Yeah, nothing crazy with this. So yeah, for now, simply looking for the wave 4. We make a new low here on the RSI, so I'm taking a longer wave 4 person, and then I'm looking for the wave 5. If again we get the good data, you know, into the 2 targets I gave you. Otherwise, we can look for the low ones, but we are more likely into the big EXY, you know, into the red wave 4. That's it really for Bitcoin. Not gonna make it more complex. Okay, this should do the drop normally. And so otherwise what we've got ICP, by the way. ICP, we've got a very nice race here from the long target. So we've got, you know, 2 targets with the levels, either this trend line here from that top to that top, not the first target. By the way, we've got a really cool retest here. Look at this. Pretty insane. So either from here, either from the 50% with the DNPOC and the power of control. By the way, look at this. This is absolutely brilliant. Look at this. This right here is the exact level approach I was talking about before, you know, for Bitcoin around this one here with a 6,186% below. You can see here we did this on the lower time frame, but still, you know, we do something a bit tricky. We go below, we flip into resistance, we form a new low to make really everyone bearish. So from here we should normally get absorption. If we have some trap shorts, for example, that should make some more people bearish, and so from here you get a reclaim. You either, as always, fit to support, either no, it depends on the data. You have also on the brick high and the reclaim, but otherwise you can do this, for example, later, and then get still a good scalp. So this is pretty cool. You can see here's a tricky level approach. Well, this is what I was talking about really on a Bitcoin. Sorry, so yeah, we still have this valid. By the way, we have 5 waves on that one, possibly, yeah? Yes, we do. Well, it can be something else, but we do have the possible 5 waves up for the, well, either as always for an ABC zigzag. Okay, so 5 waves, correction, 5 waves, correction to make simply a longer triple wave into the wave 4 first of all, the pink wave 4 here. Okay, so just to make a longer wave 4. Otherwise, normally we shall be good, to be fair with this. It's really pretty big, so we can simply look for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, completing this wave 5, and so next bigger wave 3. The wave 3 targets are simply the following ones. So you have all this above. So we have $21 just above the previous top really. Then we have 24. Then we have 29, and then we'll have 33. And if we have to push higher, well, we can look for an extension to the wave 3, and we can look for the bigger wave target really. But yeah, so this is what we can look for at the moment. For now, it aged really well. I'm not going to lie. On the Bybit price here, well, it got a bit of a front run of the second one, but the first target is touched it, which is pretty cool. Sorry, well, I did not check the data on this, as I'm not so much on XOCharts these days due to my computer, but yeah, normally, by the way, I get my pro supply on, so the 3rd is Wednesday. Yes, on Wednesday, normally the problem should be fixed, and I should be able to use my computer fully. In any case, I bought another laptop, I mean a laptop really, not a computer. But yeah, this will come a bit later, I think, around the 9 normally. So anyways, so this was ICP really, nothing more to update on this. Did not check the Alts at all during the weekend, so I don't know really what happened there. Oh. Well, we did do the highs on some, or no? Well, what a brilliant long trade, I'm not going to lie, look at this. This is absolutely crazy. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Can't remember if I'm in that trade. Took so many on the odds, this is pretty insane. Oh, 60% increase in price, this is absolutely insane. AXS, well, a bit of a drop from the last target here. Again, if we have to make something longer, for example, so really a longer wave 2, haha. This will make it really tricky and complex to count. Why? Simply because, you know, we've got so the 5 waves, correction, 5 waves, correction, and then we'll have another, so bit weird 5 waves, I'm not going to lie, but if these are 5 waves, well, we'll have a possible wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so in that case we'll have a possible leading, so bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2, as a wave 5 here takes the wave 3 top, okay, so we possibly have this configuration now in play. Now, don't really like it, but yeah, this is something I'm still aware of, I keep in mind. But otherwise, looking for this, and if we have to drop a bit more, personally I'm going to look simply for, if I can catch this, for a longer wave too, so to speak, a longer correction really, for example a bigger W, X, Y, and then come back up really. Okay, for the moment I'm going to look for this. Oh, okay. BNB. Well, that's a really good long trade. That will be for sure a take profit one now, just in case we make a bigger wave for here. I can't remember. We did plan this in the last update. Well, it looks like. Can't remember about this. But anyways, so well, this aged really well, I'm not going to lie, and so we went, well, a bit of a front of the first area with the levels, but I can't remember about this. Well, anyways, so here what do we have? Not the best, right? We'll have, I mean, not the best. We'll have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the RSI make a new high, we possibly, yeah, we make a new high here. Yes. So now it's either, well, in any case, now if you took the long, take rate 1, set your stop loss on 3, now you're good, and now we're going to see simply the different configurations. So if this is an ending, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, we finish before the top there, but as the RSI make a new high, it's possibly in that case an ABC zigzag truncated. If we have to do this, it's simply to do a bigger, so here that will be normally a W, X, and then a Y wave. Okay, I don't know if we retrace 38.2 here, but I guess, yeah, it looks like, yeah. Oh, just on it, by the way. So we can go simply for a new low. If we have to make a new low, we simply have to look for the Terry-Waf plan below here, so to speak, around this. So swing flip, and now more likely of this bottom there with a DNPOC, SFP of this lower time frame range, and this value low level really. Okay, this can be removed now, by the way. But yeah, this is a target really if we have to go below and make one more new low on this asset. So this is the first configuration really if we have to be bearish. If we have to be bullish, well, we can simply look for a leading in that case, so a bigger wave 1, 2, and then a wave 3, 4, 5. Well, this is something possible, absolutely, if we have to be bullish, either as always to make a C, okay, that will be simply for a longer wave 2 or a longer B wave, either, and that will be the best really, an impulsive, so wave 3, wave 4, and then a wave 5. Okay, so this is the second configuration we can be aware of, and the third one is extremely bullish. This will be simply some wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then absolutely big push to the upside. But for now, normally we're in the long, and so we just need to wait and enjoy really. Of course, take rate 1, see a stop loss on 3, and that's it really. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Possibly some 5 ways up, but I'm more looking for the higher time frame on that one, so I'm not gonna spend too much time on this. Feel, whoa, this is pretty nice. Again, we'll have some possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, take the highs once more, but it can be an ABC flat, you know, to start a longer wave 1, wave 2 correction, then a wave 3, 4, 5. If you don't understand, by the way, what I mean about, what I'm saying at the moment about Elliott wave, you just have to go on the website. You have 4 listens on Elliott waves for absolutely free. And by the way, for people that are joining right now, don't forget you have a free contest where you have a $300 prize pool. It's absolutely free. You just need to go here into the course section, click the Elliott wave course right here, and you will just have to just learn these 4 courses, and then you can go and enter the contest. And this contest is really a quiz on the 4 courses. So make sure to learn this good if you want to get a chance to be in the first in the ranking. Really, just learn this good, and you will be able to win really the prize. This is only the first contest. There are 3 at the end. You have another one that is where there is a $500 prize pool, and a third one where there is a $1,000 prize pool. These 2 next contests will be for apprentice, so you have to sign up as apprentice really on the website. But otherwise, this one is absolutely free. There is no trap. Just sign up for absolutely free. Go and learn the 4 first lessons and take your chance really. Anyways, just wanted to say this before to continue, because I know sometimes it can be a bit complex if you're just here starting with either wave maybe, or if you're just new here and joining and don't know much about either wave. Really go and check out the website, it's free and you will enjoy it normally. So anyways, feel this is what we can look for if we have to be bullish. As always, it can always be a W, X, Y, X, and Z with some tricky stuff, and so make, for example, a longer W, X, Y, such as AXS. And what I like, by the way, on that one is that this top there do not take the wave on top. So, yeah, it's not, no, forget about this. It is not really the same as for AXS. Feel, yeah, this is still the same. Flocky, what we have done there? Ah, yeah, we did took the eyes on this one. Well. Well, this is still valid, to be honest with you, but I mean, this is really low at the moment. Well, let's give it a bit more time to see what we confirm here. Okay, see if we confirm this wave 1, 2 or not. In any case, we're in the long from lower, from this, well, below here, really. Don't have the long trade here. Normally I have it. Yes, here. So in any case, even if we take the others once more, it's absolutely fine, really. There. So yeah, gonna leave it a bit more, give it a bit more time, see what we confirm, really. FTM. FTM, yes, I remember now. Well, wave 4 target plan. This is a wave 4 target, really. Again, we've got, this nice 23.6 before all of this with the MC fib. Normally with such uptrend these days, the alts absolutely loves to go between the 38.2 and the 50%. So that's why I added the green square here. And so normally this right here should be the target where we have more chance to bounce. So you can start longing before this, but personally I will wait for lower prices to come. It's not really useful to jump in too early. This is not updated. The levels here, Gala. Well, good bounce again. We've got now the 5 waves up, so for now nothing to worry. Either as always a longer triple wave into the wave 4, okay, and so these 5 waves will be simply for an A wave of an A, B, C zigzag, and if the C start to push a lot higher, we should normally in that case be done with the wave 4, and so in that case it will be simply a wave 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, as a smaller wave of the A wave or a wave 1 are exactly the same as for the wave 3 or C, same smaller wave count. So Gala we are done. GRT is still holding the wave 4 target, nothing to update on this. Jesmai, we've got a 5 waves up, so now looking for a wave 1, 2, really we're an ABC as always, nothing more to update, near nothing more to update. Pibicoin, this one we've got, so now a nice rejection of the upper part of the target, just gonna move this a bit more on the right, 350, perfect. Well, it's like the other arts, to be honest with you. Now we do have a possible leading. Yeah, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, if this is a leading, we can simply use like the other arts, really. Okay, the same on everyone, on every arts. Either an A, B, C to do a longer wave 4 and to do so a longer triple wave, such as a WXY. In that case, as always, 5 waves, correction 5 waves, and if these 5 waves start to push a lot higher, well, in that case this is not an ABC zigzag, but a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a wave 1 again, and the A wave have the same smaller wave, same for the B, and same for the C, or a wave 3. 5 waves first, correction, then 5 waves. It all depends how far this is going to go next, really. So yeah, same for Bitcoin, really, than the other assets. Rune, that one is just the retracement is just absolutely massive. For the wave 4, I really don't like this personally, so I'm a bit careful with it. Yeah. Yeah, normally this will be the wave count, right? Wave 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I just don't want to see the wave 4 here on the RSI on the daily time frame, breaking the wave to bottom there. If we start doing this, well, for me this is definitely not valid anymore. And well, I will see what I'm going to take for now. I'm not going to make it too complex, gonna take this only. And by the way, no, we can leave this. Yes. So Rune, yeah, still looking for this. SHIB. So we did got a bounce from the value high here, so the upper part of the target. We do have now some possible five. Again, well, it's the same on every ounce really. So as always, either a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or an ABC zigzag to make a longer triple wave really, and then come back up normally. Tia. Well, I don't like the start on this. We have more likely a triple wave, so maybe one more new on this. Ton. Well, yeah, we've got a nice rejection here, so the max target there, normally max 1, yeah. So normally this is done. Yes. Okay, still increasing once more, but wave 4 possibly, but in any case, we don't really care if we have to retrace. You know, we are along from here, so if we have to retrace from here, well, again between the 23.16 and the 50%. But these days, the alts, after some massive increase in price, will have more chance to go between the 38.2 and the 50%. So normally, all of this is a buy zone. You already got a bounce, for example, here of the 23.6. But, well, these days we like to go between the 38.2 and the 50%. So this is a best buy zone, really. UMA, well, we did got a bit of a bigger drop here. Still a bounce from here. So this is pretty cool. Well, yes, you're looking for the same wave, not gonna jump into a smaller wave count on this. Uni, what's happened on that one? Well, again, we do have the 5 ways up, so leading, I mean, a bigger impulsive or bigger ABC zigzag on that one is the same. WAF, we went into what here? The third target, right? Yeah, almost. So well, after we have done this, we completed the 5 waves, so we should do a bigger wave 1 and a bigger wave 2 retracement. Once we start to retrace bigger, I'm gonna go on exo charts and update all the levels to the downside until this happens. It's not really useful. But yeah, these are the targets really, so if you took the long, well, simply take profit now. Normally there will be a second take profit. And because you got one normally a bit before, well, maybe you take profit on every single ones, but yeah, now we'll take profit a bit, just in case. WLD, well, still looking for this ending here into the wave 5 normally, yeah, wave 5 here. Nothing changing much otherwise. And if, as always, we take the bottom, well, this was not an ABC zigzag to the upside, this was an impulsive here in the wave 5 here, as you can see, not an ABC here, but an impulsive. Really weird one, but in that case, we can look simply for the for a bigger and larger wave 1, larger wave 2 more likely. Okay, nothing changes on that one. And otherwise, ICP, nothing changed too, so yeah. I saw that Dodge was moving a bit. It's not here by the way out. Why are you showing this? Nice, yeah, we did one more high, so this is pretty cool. Well, possibly a wave 4 at the moment. That's a really weird start, I'm not going to lie, but this is a possible wave 1, 2. So next there will be a wave 3, 4, and then a wave 5. So I've done something pretty small here. I'm not sure we hit the 50% on that one. No, we don't. So normally here we'll have more chance to go again between the 38.2 and the 50% really. So where's the bottom there? Well, we already went 350. Oof, this is way too much. Well, you already went here, but this is a possible wave 4 we have right now. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll have the wave 5. Just gonna make this. Let's go and leave it like this. And so, well, yeah, this is a buy zone really. Green side, a possible long trade setup again. So you have, you know, from the target really up for a new high, and so if we make a new high, we either, you know, stop in between the 1618 and do 2618. These days there is some weird stuff going on with the other way, but well, just be aware of that. But otherwise, normally we should go into the 2618 here minimum, so to speak, around $0.25 really, around there. But yeah, so we have this possible long trade set up. As always, stop loss around the 6.66%, and don't forget, well, I don't want to see the wave 4 breaking the wave to bottom there on, for example, the 8 hours time frame. If we start doing this is not valid anymore, and we can maybe look in that case for a bigger ending here into the wave 5. Okay. And yeah, that's it really for the watch list at the moment. Yeah. Ooh, that one can be interesting to trade. I don't have the waves on this. Because we might be here into now the wave 4. Yeah. Yeah, that can be really nice. Like we have the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or maybe the wave 4 here and then the wave 5. Yep. Yeah, this is pretty cool. So you have a possible here. Well, let's try all of this. We don't have Coinbase on that, no? Let's try these ones. Ah, yes, I remember why. Alright, well. The low is here. Okay, well. Let's go on the smaller wave and see what we can get here. GPT there. Let's just hide really quick everything because what was that long trade? Well, a bit of a fraud on this. Because the thing is, I just want to see where is the low here to pull the extension tool next. Like, is it here or here? Depending on the exchange, it's here or here, so that's why it depends. Oh well, we do take. What the fuck is this? Wait, I saw something wrong here. Or? Oh, yeah, there you go. We are on the wrong one. Now we'll start from here. Yeah. Just double check some few stuff there for the smaller wave, but alright, let me just remove all of this too, and well, let's add a wave on that, right? And let's make a plan. So as always, the thing is, it can be an ABC zigzag to the upside, don't forget this, so there is no wave 4 and 5 next. But if we have to be bullish from here, for example, we have to make a wave 4, and so we are simply going to plan this. But don't forget, sorry, an A, B, C as always is possible, and we can now literally crash. Okay, this is absolutely something possible. It all depends of Bitcoin, really. So now, I'm not going to add this, but just be aware of such configuration. Otherwise, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's look next for the wave 5. There we go. So just gonna, oh yeah, by the way, perfect. And so here we have done what? Yeah, it's valid. Perfect. So now we can pull the retracement tool. Again, if you don't know what I'm doing right now, you can learn this for absolutely free on the website. It's really absolutely free. There is no trouble, whatever, no raise. You won't pay anything. Let's go with 350. Oh. Okay, well, that will be the buy zone then. Yeah, the retracement are pretty big these days. It's pretty insane. So yeah, wave 4 retracement really will be this. Okay, so simply the 50 down to the 61886%. I don't have the levels right now, and I sadly cannot add these levels. But next we just have to go for the wave 5 once we get a bounce. Really get a bounce. We look for the wave 5. As always, we simply have to pull the extension to release from the wave 1 route. That should be around. There to the wave 1 top, to the wave 4 bottom. So yeah, we'll have to do a smaller wave count really. So in an extension or otherwise. So yeah, let's see here. This is a buy zone really. We can look for the wave 4, so you can DCA in there, you can do whatever you want, or just not follow. You do as you want really. But this is a possible idea, possible trade setup to ride the wave 5. Now understand the risk behind. If this is an ABC zigzag, there is no wave 4 and 5 next. It's just going to drop massively. So don't forget this risk when we take some trade. As always, there is no any financial advice. GRT, we saw this already. H bar. Hex. Oof. Well, this was an ABC zigzag then to the upside. Oh my god. That's a massive crash here. Well, more. Oh yeah, okay, we did 2D highs directly here. So ABC. And so, well, then you low here, and we've planned some turret below now. Well, I mean, wait, if you pull this extension tool, yeah, so no, maybe more a weird ending like wave 1, 2 as your SI make a new low there. Yeah, I like this. And then the wave 3, 4, 5, and so we have a crazy ending, but well, still here. And normally I have the waves on this for the downtrend. Yeah, there you go. No, not for this. Oh yeah. WX, X, and Z. Well, as always, the Z wave can take every shape, so it can be a WXY. We are on the higher time frame, so we do not need it. It's not a must, as always, to retrace 38.2, so it can be a next wave here and do a Y wave to the downside, but to pull the extension to on this scenario as well. So, I'm not gonna plan targets on this, to be honest with you. Oh yeah, it's not even from the top there, it's from the bottom we reclaim, okay. Oh well, it depends of the... Well, we've got a 5 ways down here already. So an ABC zigzag. ABC, if we go more down, we'll WXY, but again, a very small X wave as we keep, I mean, we have a very big downtrend here, to be honest. Yeah. But anyway, not trend this one in any case, not gonna spend too much time on this. ING, what we've done since then, nothing crazy. Not much to update. Gerai, it's on the watch list there. nothing crazy. Ethereum still holding that wave 4. Well, again, this one is like Bitcoin, you know, it's like, well, ABC zigzag, or that will be a double X on Bitcoin really, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the exact same thing at the moment. So is it still valid on this one? Yes, absolutely. So yeah, looking for a last increase in price. In that case, there will be here a leading. Well, that will be in that case a possible really bullish pound Bitcoin. You know, the big ending in that case, just want to show you something because of Ethereum, but not looking for this mainly. But for example, in that case, there will be yeah, there you go. There will be a wave 2 here. Again, that will be simply a wave 1, 2, another wave 1, 2, another wave 1, 2. And so here this will be simply a leading with a smaller wave of an ending, and so this leading really will make simply a bigger wave 1, a bigger wave 2, and then you start really something normally very big to the upside. This is something we can think about due to Ethereum if, again, and only if we make these 5 waves up to start really this increase in price. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, last wave 5, and then we'll have a, so either as always an ABC zigzag, but well, don't like it so much. Otherwise, wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, much bigger impulsive to the upside. Well, that will be this really on Bitcoin. Okay, something well, extremely bullish, I'm not going to lie. Yeah, but in any case, for now, holding the target. If we do a leading, we're going to plan the retrace next. Because if we do one more high, the volume is going to change, all of this is going to change, so it's not really useful to do it now, really. And yeah, that's it really for me for today. 50 minutes, good enough to be honest. Just gonna pop out the chat here, pop out, and there you go. Happy Easter and good morning, and happy Easter to you too. Could you cover Pepe please? Sure, I did, but normally, I don't know what time this was, but I think it was posted already before I do this. So yeah, everything is done, perfect. Nothing more really to add on the stream. Just as always, don't forget, there is a free contest waiting for you where you can win $300. There is no trap, it's just free, and just enjoy, really. Just have to learn the course, and if you learn good the course, well, you will get a chance to win this contest. Okay, you can of course not be the first, you can be the second or the third, or you can be the first, it's up to you, but the 3 first in the ranking will divide really, we share the prize pool. The first place will get $150, the second one 100, and the third place will get $50 really. So if you want to play this, feel free, just enjoy really, this is free money. So well, enjoy. And if you want to learn your waves, because well, the contest is really on the 4 wave courses, so if you want to play this contest, make sure to go and sign up for absolutely free. Create your account, go into the course section, click the Elliott wave here course, and learn the 4 courses here. You can do the contest only once, so don't try to do it before, because if you try to refresh the page or everything, this will terminate your entry really. So yeah, make sure to learn the course first and then go and play the contest really. Yeah, but anyways, on this being said, I wish you all a brilliant day. Have a, well, brilliant day as I said. Myself really suck to end my videos, this is pretty crazy. Just gonna close this, bam, and yeah, take care of you and catch you all in the next one. By the way, I wanted to do a daily update now every 2 days instead of every day really, so I can make some videos and, you know, get time for myself to trade and not repeat myself in the update. So well, I will let you know, I will think about it, I think. But maybe no daily update today, tomorrow, sorry, maybe a video instead, if again it's needed, otherwise nothing really, so I can get some more time for me for trading, because otherwise, you know, I say something to the daily update live stream, then I have to repeat myself really into the video, so it's not really useful, and this is a loss of time really for myself. Yeah, I could, for example, trade at the same time or do something else, take some trade, so it's just for me really. When Bitcoin is not moving like so much like this, it's not really useful, to be fair, to update this on a daily basis. So well, I don't know, we'll let you know today really. I'm gonna try to, you know, today if I do a daily update or not tomorrow, and otherwise you will get normally a video on any other assets really, so I can mix between videos and lives and not get too much still recording to do on my side, so I can trade more and yeah, take some more time for trading. But anyways, I wish you all a brilliant day, take care, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.